I am left all alone today. It's Friday and my dear wife Mia, she's on 14 hours today. So she's already left. It's now about 7:15. She left at 7 o'clock. Starting at 7:30. I won't see her till about 9:30 this evening. But she's asked me to hang her washing out for her. What a good husband. Anyway, it's a beautiful day here. Well, it's going to be. It's going to be very warm today, considering it's September. It's giving it 21 degrees, which is pretty good for us here. So anyway, we'll go and let the dogs out, and then we'll come back and put the washing out. And then let's put the camera right. That's it. And then we'll hang it out. And then I must put the bin out as well, because it's bin day as well today. So another job to do. Hello, bears. It might be bright and sunny. So anyway, here we go. I'll pop this in the bin. And then whether I can do it with two hands, let's see. Oh, there we go. Finish it. Right, let's let the bears out. Hello, bears. Hello. They've already been out this morning, haven't you? Already been. Look at them. Are you ready? You're getting old looking, Pip and Fee. Right, come on. Right, we need to put the bin out. Phoebe, come out of the house. So naughty is that dog. Never listens to me. There we go. I have to fasten my bin down, tie it down, because the problem being is it gets very windy here, and the wind blows the bin away. Gosh, it's wet. Anyway, here we go. That's it. This is our bin. Yeah, there we go. We get roadside collection, so we have to take it out, put it on the road. As you can see, it's a beautiful September morning. Anyway, today I am continuing to do the Range Rover. Stay there, bears. Stay there. Good girls. So if they don't come out on the road, they're not allowed. Right, that's the bin there for the bin man when he arrives on the roadside. Already waiting. Right, look at the day. It's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Yeah, you see? Yeah, fresh, but it's going to warm. Another hour it'll be quite warm, I would think. So, yeah. Okay, Fifi. That's it. Come on, Pip. What are you doing? Oh, she's tinkling. You come in. Oh, that's a long one. Yeah. Come on, bears, let's go. Oh, we better put the washing out, haven't we? Because if we don't, I'll be in trouble. Just say, you're a bad husband, John. And I know I'm not. Right. Let's see. Sun might be shining a bit actually here. It might be a bit dark. Come down, you two. Let's see. Where's the line? Oh yeah. Looks a bit wet, is the line. Right, I'll get the washing, won't be a second. A bit dark. Yeah, it's the sun, isn't it? Right. Here we go. Oh, spiders' webs everywhere. That. No big deal whatsoever. Simple, everything's simple. Because I work hard. Oh yep, I've lost my dogs. So where have they gone? Let's see if we can find them. I'll take them for a little walk around the field. Ah, here's one. Phoebe, come on. Key out the door if we can, that's it. Always lock the door here, even when I'm only in the workshop, because the workshop's a little way from the house, and it's so easy somebody could just walk in and go, come on, Fee! He's totally ignoring me. It won't. I'll get my whistle. Watch this, it'll come like a rocket when I get my whistle. That's what it's like. She's going a bit deaf, is Phoebe, because she is 12 years old now. And, come on. See, look at that, instant. Hey, right, come on bears, we're going for a walkie. Let's go. Only a short one. Come on, let's go. We have our morning routine, don't we, bears? Yeah? Take them out. So, there we go. Workshop door. And here we go. Look, it's lovely out here, sun shining. Gosh, look at our mate doing this. I better do it on my best side. Oh, hello. That's it. People say they like my modelling, really. I did turn a job down, you know, many years ago because I just thought it wasn't for me. But everyone tells me it is now. Nah, I'm joking, just having a laugh. Yeah, anyway, today I am going to be carrying on working on the Range Rover because I have a couple of days spare until I have some more trailers to put together and go out to customers. So that's what my plan for today is, and then this weekend we're going to actually do some gardening and prepare the new bed for the strawberries. We're going to put some stuff down over the soil which controls all the weeds, because very difficult weeding around the strawberries and stuff, you know. So put this stuff down, we just slit it and put this plant in, but water goes through it, so it, you know, obviously the plant gets watered and survive. And plus, when they have the strawberries, they actually don't touch the soil, they just go onto this fabric stuff, and it keeps the strawberries in good condition. Right, and I have got many things to do. I have several trees I need to take down because I have some here which have actually all the water's got underneath them. Some of these big ones, and they're leaning over now because they're not safe. So unfortunately I'm going to have to take them down. I didn't really want to, but probably got to think about the safety side of it. So that's that I'm going to do, and this one here is going to be trimmed out because I've got a nice little oak tree at the other side, which hopefully will be there for many years to come, long after I'm gone. And there are one or two in the front garden we need to sort out. Anyway, I'll sign off for the minute, guys, and I'll show you a little bit later what I'm doing on the Range Rover. I'm just doing the engine, it's nearly finished now. Once it's all back together, I'll show you what I've done, and hopefully those enthusiasts of, you know, like old cars and that being restored and stuff, will appreciate it. Anyway, I'll speak to you soon. Bye for now. Say hello. Well, hi guys, it is now 4 o'clock and I've just come in to wash my hands and have some coffee. And my little bears are here. Here's Fifi. Hey, down. Right, so I'm just going to update you on the engine. I've been doing the engine biggest part of today. I know you might probably seem a long time to be doing it, but everything, every single component, especially the auxiliary components, have to be replaced new, or what isn't, you can't replace, has got to be stripped down and all redone and cleaned, and new bearings, seals, whatever is necessary to make them back to new again. And basically it takes so much time to do it. But anyway, the engine now is looking quite nice. It looks dark, that's it. So anyway, let me just put this around. Right, here is the engine under the cover. Now then, this is the results of hours and hours and hours of work. It's not complete yet, but it's getting there. I've got the exhaust manifolds to put on and do. I've got the air filter box to do, but everything else now, this is like absolutely brand new engine. These are the carburetors, there's two because it's a V8, so there's one for each side of the engine. That's for 4 cylinders and that's for the other 4. And these have all been completely stripped, been in the ultrasonic cleaner, and all new, everything new inside has been put in, all the new seals and needles and jets everything that is required for it, and looking pretty snazzy now. So you know, and it's well, it's looking quite impressive, and it'll look, when it's actually in the car, it'll look pretty good, because you lift the bonnet and it gives it the wow factor. And this is what it's all about. When you're going to restore something, you've got to do it properly, because a lot of people will say, oh, it's been restored, the outside will look pretty. Lift up the lid up under the bonnet and look at the engine, it's just an absolute mess. That's how they should look, like that. I'm getting close now. I'm waiting for some new hoses, fuel pipes, things to come, some water hoses to put in, and then once I've done that and got the hoses on, I've got this to strip and redo. It's the basically it's a wiring loom for that goes around the engine. This is the distributor here in my hand. I've just done this afternoon as well. Well, in the last 10 minutes I've done this. Has been totally stripped, cleaned and done everything and brought back to new. I've got to put some new bits inside yet, which they've not arrived yet. But anyway, that's my outcome. I've been on this for, well, quite a big part of, well, yeah, well, 4 days anyway now, since I started again. And it's looking good. I'm pleased with the result up to now. I don't know what it looks like. We'll soon see when it's on camera. I'm sure it looks all nice, shiny and newish looking. So anyway, that has been my work for part of this week. So I always do other things and look after customers, and after some trailer chassis away being galvanised. They'll be back on Wednesday, so basically I've got between now and Wednesday morning next week. I can keep going on the engine. A couple of days now it will be ready, and I can put the marriage together with the engine and the gearbox, and then once that's done, then it goes into the chassis over there basically, which I can't wait. And then once all that's built up properly with the engine, gearbox and fuel tank, that's a fuel tank on the top in a box, a brand new one. But once all that is done, then we can put the body onto the chassis. And then once that goes on, then it really starts to come together then, because it's just basically all the wiring looms inside and all the stuff on the interior to do and under the bonnet and everything. But it comes together a bit quicker. So but anyway, that's an update for this day. I hope it does interest some of you, because I do know quite a few people have been asking, could I do an update on the range? And that's it. It's hey, look who we got here. Hello, you. Hey, I've got coffee in my hand, see? Just don't be naughty. Here comes Pippi now. Look, you're a pair of monkey bears. Come. Right, so that's that, isn't it? So I'm going to go and prepare some tea, and then while that's cooking, I think I'll jump in the shower and have a shower. I think I better get the washing in as well, because right, I'll pop you in there, bears, because that's it. Good girls. Right, that's it. So anyway, I hope I'm not talking too much rubbish, and I hope you find it of interest. But I would actually be quite open to any suggestions, what you would like me to vlog about, or you know, if you want information about anything in the UK, I can certainly do my best and see whether I can fulfill your requirements. Anyway, I'll sign out for now. I'll probably come back on again later, because I have other stuff to do, which I'll probably show you what I'm doing. Anyway, bye for now. Right, well, here we are again. I have got to put some stuff back on the garden, which I told you I'm going to do. So I'm going to start doing it now. Basically, it's this stuff here. But it goes on the soil, and what it does, it stops the weeds from growing. So therefore, it makes it so much easier. Really easier. So I'll pop this off at the fence here, I don't have to walk around with it. And then I've been told I've got to fasten this on the fence. Phoebe! Where you at, Phoebe? There's Phoebe. Very bright sun. I hope it's not going to be too bright and it's going to spoil the filming. Alright, you can come in, bears, if you like. There's nothing in here you can harm at the moment. I'll just transfer a lot of these strawberries. Right. Too bright there. To wrap this round the thing I was told. Like so. And we can turn this. You can't see for that. I don't know if I'm pointing it in the right direction, guys. I don't. Oh. There's the bed, that's it. Let me put a muff back on. That's it, stops the wind. Presume I'm recording, am I? Yep. Right, so I need to prepare the bed. Put this on. Yeah. Right. That's that bit. So what I'll do now is just run the length of this down. Start at this end. Well, it looks like we have enough. Right, so I hope you can see what I'm doing, guys. Just pull this a bit this way. Come on. Just a little bit of breeze. Here, as you can see, I've got half of it in now. I've trenched it out round the other side, ready to put the second piece in. So I'll do that now, and then put the soil on top of it, stop it blowing away so the wind can't get underneath it, and then we'll let it settle down, and then we can slit it and put our strawberry plants in. And then once the strawberry plants are in, it then becomes much better for the strawberries, because when we get the fruit on them, it just touches that and it doesn't do any damage to the fruit, because when it's on the soil they get horrible and they get the slugs and stuff on them, so it just protects them much better all round. So anyway, I'll put the second half in now. It's hard work doing it. There you are, you can see now. That's it, we've managed to get it in. That's brilliant. There we go. How's that? So now, as you can see, we're looking good. Yeah. You can see now, see? Brilliant. So now we have no more problems with weeds. What we do is we decide if we're doing the rows that way or that way. With the strawberries, we just put a slit and put the plant in, each individual plant, put slits in, and it finds its root. Water will actually go through this, but nothing can grow through it. It's brilliant. So anyway, that's it for now, and I've already had a shower. I feel like I need another one now. Hard work that. Okay, anyway, that's me for this day. I think my dear wife won't be home yet for another, probably, what is it, 2.5 hours at least, 3 hours. So yeah, anyway, always have that side. Let's have this side instead. So that's it, we're done. Anyway, see you later.
The next day.
Oy, sobrang well done ni Mr. mga palangga. Nag-vlog. Nag-edit ako sa vlog ni Mr. At sobrang nakakatuwa. Model daw siya. May pa model-model pang alam si Mr. na ni-refuse daw niya. Nako. Nanonood siya ng Formula 1. Hi! There. Singapore race ngayon. So, ay, kakaligo ko lang. Imamarinate ko yung pork ng soy sauce. Kasi, for my tea tonight, I will have pork with green beans. Sitaw ba? Hindi ako sure if season. Nakain ba ng lulutuin ko. Kasi meron kasi siyang leftover na pizza. Hindi na ako maglalagay ng asin. Soy sauce na lang. Maglalagay din tayo ng kaunting onion powder. Ang bango niya mga palangga. Yan na. Ilalagay ko na siya sa microwave. Matagal na ding hindi ako nakakain ito ba. Salamat Omri. Uy. Maraming salamat talaga. Naku, ang bango. Pwede na ako mag-model nito. Ang sarap. Rice is cooking. Rice is nice. Maaga pa dito. The time here is actually 3:45 in the afternoon. Pero tingnan nyo sa labas. It's gray. It's very dark because kasi umuulan. Yes, Han?
Winter's coming.
Winter is coming.
Today.
Today is what date is today?
I don't know.
23rd. Is it? Am I right?
23rd, yeah. Yeah, I know it's 23rd or 26th is the official day of winter. So
Oh, right. I don't know that.
Yeah, one of them. Right,
One of them. ECT lang yung ni Jan, food. So, maaga akong nagsimula na magluto ng rice ko kasi it takes a bit of time cooking rice and of course our, what do you call that, sitaw at baboy. Magluluto na ako mga palangga, but sobrang ingay, nagpapatugtog si Jan. So, ipa-pass forward ko na lang kayo kasi baka makapiright tayo. Ito na. Ready na siya. Mukhang masarap mga palangga ay. Naku, may bisita tayo mga palangga. Hihinaan ko lang yung oven kasi yung fries ni Mr. malapit na matapos. Ito, yan. Lalagay ko ito dito. Yan. Hindi ko muna ilalagay yung pizza kasi hindi ko alam kung anong oras siya aalis yung kaibigan namin. Kain tayo mga palangga. Ang bango ng amoy. Tingnan niyo yan. Sarap. Adobong sitaw with baboy. At meron akong rice dito. At orange juice. Sabay sana kaming kakain ni Mr. Pero yung kaibigan niya dumating. Sarap na adobo. Adobong sitaw. Masarap sana to pag pakbit ba? Yung stir-fry vegetable. Kukuha muna ako ng sasawan, suka, toyo, tas tabasco. Ito na. Hindi siguro makikita sa camera kasi medyo may pagka-lalim yung dish natin. Ang sarap. Sinabihan ko si Jan na gagawin namin yung strawberry bed together. Pero nagulat na lang ako, sabi niya, tapos na yung strawberry bed mo, wala ka ng hassle. Kailangan mo na lang i-transfer yung strawberries daw. Sabi ko, bakit mo ako hindi hinintay? Kasi sobrang hassle kasi pag nag-lay ka ng plastic. Lalo na pag mahangin. He said, I can do this myself. Pag uwi ko ng bahay, after sa trabaho, sabi niya, ang sakit ng katawan ko. Kasi sobrang dami daw niyang ginawa that day. Magtitira ako nito. I have work tomorrow for 14 hours. So, I have a rice left. So, magtitira ako para dalhin ko sa trabaho tomorrow. Umalis na ba sila? Yes, umalis na sila. Ilalagay ko na yung pizza sa oven. I just put your pizza. I eat already, Han. Because I'm so hungry. Just now. I don't know how long it will be, you see?
Lonely, lonely, lonely.
Yes? You should try this, Ham. You cannot see you. Stop it. You need to try.
How can one little thing eat so much?
I cannot eat it all. I will take that at work tomorrow.
Again, she gets all the meat and I get the pizza.
Pag nag-aadobong sitaw ako mga palangga, prefer ko yung sitaw na may pagka-burn siya. Dagdag flavor. You can eat all the meat. I can have all this, the beans.
I don't want to eat all the meat. I've got my pizza and my fries to eat.
Anyway mga palangga, ito na yung vlog natin for today. I will say goodbye and I will see you in my next vlog. Bye, Jan.
Why were you leaving me? Again?
No.
Bye, darling.
Bye.